Today we will be doing a Flying Builder review and demo walkthrough. Flying Builder is the most powerful yet affordable website builder that lets you create unlimited professional websites with just a few clicks within minutes. Flying Builder is a new cloud-based landing page builder with drag and drop. It includes SaaS application as well as lead generation. Flying Builder is for you if you are a business owner looking to create your own website, sales pages, squeeze pages, and more with just a few clicks. Building websites with Flying Builder is as easy as 1, 2, 3. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you are notified when we upload new videos. Right, let's get started with the Flying Builder demo review and walkthrough. Thank you for watching this Flying Builder review and demo walkthrough video. To find out more about Flying Builder, click the link in the description below.